And now we will take a new lesson, which is put the numbers in the ascending order. Put the numbers in the ascending order. What does it mean that I put the numbers in the ascending order? It means that I put the numbers from the smallest number to the greatest or the biggest number. So again, the ascending order means that I put the numbers from the smallest number till I reach the biggest number. It's like this boy who is going up the stairs. He starts from the first stair, which is the smallest number, stair number 1. When he goes up the stairs, the numbers are getting bigger from number 1. Then he goes up one step, so the numbers are getting bigger, 2, and then from 2 to 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, till he reaches number 9, which is the biggest. So when I start to put the numbers in the ascending order, the numbers are getting bigger. The numbers are getting bigger. Let's have an example about how to put the numbers in the ascending order. Example number 1. Here we will put the missing letters. Here we start with number 1, and then what comes after 1? 2. After 2, yes, 3. What comes after 3? 4. After 4, 5. After 5, 6. After 6, 7. What comes after 7? 8. After 8, 9. So here the numbers are put in the ascending order, because here we start with the smallest number, which is 1, and the numbers are getting bigger. 2 is bigger than 1, and after 2, 3, which is bigger than 2, and so on. Now we will have an example about how to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. Now, we have example number 1. We have here number 3, 5, 9, 2, and 1. Now we want to arrange the numbers in the ascending order. As we said before, that the ascending order means that I start from the smallest number till I reach the biggest number. Here, let's see together. What is the smallest number here? What is the smallest number here? Is it 3 or 5 or 9 or 2 or 1? Think with me. Yes, the smallest number here is number 1. Excellent, it's number 1. So I will start to put 1 here, because the ascending order starts with the smallest number, which is number 1. Okay. Now, we will put a cross here on number 1 because we write it down. Now, we have the numbers 3, 5, 9, and 2. Which is the smallest number here? Which is the smallest number here? Is it 3 or 5 or 9 or 2? Yes, think about it. Yes, the smallest number here is number 2. Excellent. The smallest number is number 2. So we will write it down here, and we will make a cross because we took it. Now, what are the numbers left here? We have numbers 3, 5, and 9. Which is the smallest number? Which is the smallest number? Is it 3 or 5 or 9? Yes, the smallest number here is number 3. It's smaller than 5 and it's smaller than 9. So we will write down number 3 and we will make a cross on number 3. Now, what are the two numbers left here? We have number 5 and number 9. Which is smaller, 5 or 9? Which is smaller, 5 or 9? Yes, the smallest number is 5. So I will write down number 5 and I will make a cross on number 5. What is the missing number here? Only number 9. So this means that the biggest number here is number 9. So I'll write it down here and I'll make a cross, and now there are no numbers left. So this is the ascending order. I start with the smallest number, which is 1, till I reach the biggest number, which is number 9. Now let's have another example about how to put or arrange numbers in the ascending order. Here we have number 8, 7, 0, 5, 9. Now let's see how to arrange them in an ascending order as we did in the previous example. Now we will ask ourselves, what is the smallest number? What is the smallest number here? Is it 8 or 7 or 0 or 5 or 9? Yes, the smallest number here is number 0. So I'll write down 0 and cross 0. Now we have 8, 7, 5 and 9. Which is the smallest number here? Think. Yes, the smallest number here is number 5. So I'll write down 5 and make a cross on number 5. Now let's see, we have 8, 7 and 9. Which is the smallest number here? Is it 8 or 7 or 9? Yes, the smallest number here is number 7. 7 is smaller than 8 and it's smaller than 9. So I will write down 7 and cross 7. We have here 8 and 9. Which is smaller, 8 or 9? Which is smaller, 8 or 9? Yes, 8 is smaller than 9. So I will write down 8 and cross 8. And what's the missing letter here? The missing number here? Yes, it's number 9. Number 9 is missing, which is the biggest number. So I'll write it down and cross 9. Let's have the next example. We have here 7, 2, 9, 8 and 3, and we will arrange them in an ascending order, which means from the smallest to the biggest. Now what is the smallest number here? Is it 7 or 2 or 9 or 8 or 3? The smallest number here is number 2. Yes, this is the smallest number here. So I will write down 2 and cross 2. The numbers left here are 7, 9, 8 and 3. Which is the smallest number here? Is it 7 or 9 or 8 or 3? The smallest number is 3. So I will write down 3 and cross 3. Now I have 7, 9 and 8. What is the smallest number? Yes, 7 is the smallest number. It's smaller than 9 and smaller than 8. So I will write down 7 and cross 7. We have now 9 and 8. Which is smaller, 9 or 8? Yes, 8 is smaller than 9. So I will write down 8 and cross 8. What's the number left here? It's number 9, which is the biggest number. So I'll write down 9 and cross 9. And now, what's your homework? Your homework will be this page. You will write the missing numbers. In the balloons, you will write the missing numbers, and you will answer the next page, and you will arrange the numbers in the ascending order.